Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. Today I have a box opening for you, but I decided while I was out and about I would do it since everybody liked my kind of mom on the go unboxing. I'm out today at Sherrod Park in Vermillion, Ohio, and I'm out here with my daughter just enjoying the beautiful weather and the lake. And let me flip the camera so you guys can look at. It's so pretty and very, very peaceful. There's lots of boats out here. It's a little hazy because it's kind of warm, so it's probably going to thunderstorm, but it's so gorgeous right now that we decided to get out a little bit and enjoy the weather before it turns. So this is the Liberty box from Fat Quarter Shop. It just arrived. This is one of their specialty boxes. As of this filming, they still had some left, and I will link that down below if there are ones I get it posted up. So let's go ahead and get this open. I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like when I've opened it up. Pretty cute. Let's see what's in here. So we've got some really, really pretty fabric from Makehour UK. Very, very nice. Red, whites, and blues. I'm not going to open this since we are in the beach. I don't want to get sand in it. Oh, I see the pattern. Let's see what this little paper says. 2002 limited edition Liberty box. And it looks like we have a 14-piece fat quarter bundle. Very, very nice. And then there's, oh, how cute. A cute little needle minder. I love that. A soap, a Liberty Star goat milk soap. That's very nice. Let's see. Oh, a little pair of snips. Snips are always a great thing to have. I have about 1 million in my sewing space, but you know, can't have too many. Oh, this is cute. Is this just a sticker or is this a quote label? Let me see what it says. I'm trying to find it on the paper. Okay. Oh, it's a bumper sticker. So it says Fat Quarter Shop America. Very pretty. This is a great box. And then the pattern. Home Sweet Home quilt pattern. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I will definitely make this. So it looks like we just need a little less than a yard of background, some sashing, and some binding fabric, but they've given us all the fat quarters that you need to make this quilt. How cute is that? It comes out to 57 by 67, so it's a really, really good size quilt. All right, so Fat Quarter Shop's special holiday boxes are sort of hit and miss. Some are good, some are okay, some are amazing. This one is going to go into the amazing category. I absolutely love this box, and I'm so happy I got to open it here on the beach with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me give you one more view of the lake before I go. Thank you guys so much for joining me in opening my Liberty box. I'm really excited to do this like kind of mom on the go opening while I'm out and about type thing. It's been a lot of fun. It's a gorgeous day here. I hope you have beautiful weather by you all, and have a really great week, and I'll see you all soon. I'll give you one more shot of the lake before I go. You can hear the water hitting the shore in the background. It's so beautiful, and I'm so blessed to live by one of the Great Lakes. So I want to share a little bit of that with you because this is where my heart is. So thanks for coming along with me and taking a little peek into my life while I open some fun quilty things. Bye everybody! You can see some boats going across the lake. There's even a sailboat out in the distance if y'all can see that. Have a blessed day!